mayam ay hotel yore hosi Germany ki Dusseldorf ay mafam du dane ay duty lakbane ko ada sida nimi lay doine. So this is my room. Let's check out. Mapana talk to rabane sigla salaga. Hello. German gi Dusseldorf ay mafam du dane huzik se boots, leather pants, jacket, sweater, and leather shirts. Leather hand gloves. Oh my gosh. Nung sit yam sit leva mapanse. Yam ing ba unta ba di oy diba. Chat lu dige mayam. Ko bye bye.
Look at this pretty lady. Where are you going?
I'm going to see the ducks.
Ducks? You don't have duck in your country?
No.
Lots of buffalo, right?
No, it's making me hungry. I want Beijing duck.
You want to eat a duck, that's why you're going there?
Big.
It's not you. You love them. You love to eat them.
Be careful.
How monster.
Hello, ducky.
Oh my gosh.
Happy here for you.
Yes, we are walking on the field
Be careful, yeah.
and it's all mess. Yeah. It's so quiet, literally nobody on the streets here. You barely see any humans out here. And me, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Kuing nga ba? Nung sit yam sit pagi ing ba niya ba? Seng way di yam. Kahit na ing way di ta. Chingjan ba doon nati ba? Hi. So far, how many kilometers have we walked?
I don't know you.
Approximately 2 to 3. Yeah? Oh, is it? This is more of like gas or petroleum.
I think I'm only thinking about food. That's why I say.
No, see there are lots of pipes
Actually, it's not.
coming from Canada. No, it's from Switzerland.
Canada is too far.
Yeah, sorry. It's from Switzerland.
Kung sum laga mo use mana food truck hinjang napi fruits and vegetables mayam yolame ko.
It's so cute. Yeah.
See, especially tulips, flowers, garland, and mamanglis and cheese trucks ne.
Hello. Now we are trying to order food. I know nothing. What is it written? Look at the language. Aleman. We know
Okay,
Aleman.
you want fish?
Fish? No.
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 Okay, we go for.
I eat fish for 1 year.
Okay, now I need to ask you. We have schnitzel, the Wiener style. This one come, I think, with no sauce,
Yeah.
and we have the schnitzel.
Okay.
Burger bun is come with paprika sauce, but I recommend this one.
Okay. What you recommend?
I recommend the schnitzel Jägermann with champignon. You eat mushroom, right?
Yeah.
The mushroom sauce. Okay.
Alles klar.
Food is here.
Schönen guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
Danke.
Guten Appetit.
What is this?
This is the schnitzel. We have champignon sauce. And this is obviously Schweinehaxe with mashed potatoes and sauerkraut.
Oh,
Very nice.
Very nice. Let's
Guten Appetit.
Bon appetit.
Words coming here. You eat the skin part, no?
Not all of them.
I can share with you. I like it so much. Will you share? I give you all the part first. Okay. Here you go. Give you one a bit of the crispy one. And I will give you the meat. Okay. Here you go. You try all of it. And the fat here. You try.
Me fat, I don't eat a lot of fat.
Oh, let's just try. And if you don't like, leave it.
Is it not the cheese?
It's the spread. It's very
spread?
nice.
Yeah.
But it's pork.
Pork? Oh, that's good. Buy it.
Schweinfleisch,
Of course, buy it.
Speck, Schwebel. Okay.
€1 is like 70 rupees. Say 140 kg the chanam kg the 70-80 rupees in adagi thabi.
Now we book the Uber. I'm making a video. Abdul is arriving.
Abdul, salam alaikum. Abdul.
It's there. It's here. After we finish all the shopping, now Abdul is here. We're going back to the hotel. It's completely dark,
Hello, Abdul, salam alaikum.
and there are so many trams running around the corner. But we decided to come by Uber because we are lazy people.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. It was amazing. Dusseldorf ki koi like kai ko iru haitare aduga restaurant mo koi like a very old traditional German style restaurant ne ko the pork ko mayam na serve taweba pork knuckle hai ko pork na serve tawasa. So and then beer, like beer ne no honge mo say di Coca-Cola thapa budi beer ne no honge ko. Then grocery shopping kra tawre hale aduga charaga. So I'm unpacking my bags. I got my favorite banana hai banana se ko banana banana gi kano lere aduga. It was not like super duper cold, but it was chilly, yes, of course. And like yamna nungsit yam sitleba yamna windy oy bagi sai na to. It was so funny. I mean, my whole body was covered, but you know, the wind was like going everywhere. The wind going inside my eye.